Let's make some split designs using Illustrator. For this type of design, you would take a solid silhouette type image and then cut it in half so you can put a team name or a monogram or something in the middle. So let's get started. You'll see I've already imported just a simple eagle design, and it is already a vector design. If you had imported a JPEG or a PNG, you will need to convert this into a vector design by using your trace option. But this is already ready to go, so let's go to the shape tool and select a rectangle. And then just make kind of a thin rectangle wherever you would like to split your design. Then select both the rectangle and the silhouette design and go to your Pathfinder menu and click -front. And when you do that, it cuts that rectangle out of your image. So now right click and select ungroup, and that will split your two pieces apart. And let's turn this into a frame by going back to our rectangle tool and making just a very, very thin line. You can stretch this as far as you would like. If you want to make it the entire length of your design, you can, or you can just make it however long you want. And now duplicate this line. I'm holding down Option and dragging. You can also use your copy and paste options. And then select both lines, and let's make sure these are completely aligned with each other. Go to the Align panel, and then you can align the objects horizontally or horizontal left. Any of these will work. I'm selecting the horizontal align center. Now make sure that your frame overlaps the outer line of your image, and you may need to zoom in just to make sure. Select both the top half and the line, and this is what you want to see, that they are overlapping with each other. Then go to the Pathfinder menu and click Unite, and do the same for the bottom half. Click Unite. And now let's zoom out a little bit. Now you can split it apart just a little if you would like. Don't go too far or it will start to look strange, but you can split it far enough to where you can type a word in there. And just type whatever you would like. And then adjust the size. And now you can adjust the colors if you want to. You can change this to your school's name, or you can use this for like a monogram and put a child's name, or you could use it for a mailbox and put your address. There are a number of things that you could use this technique for. And this is how we split designs using Illustrator.